Welcome to the Katie Books Bookbinding channel with Kristen Dunn Bookbinding and Design. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply your images or pages to our lay-flat hinge strips. First, carefully remove the wax paper strip to expose the adhesive on the fabric hinge. Next, line up your page carefully on the 1/4-inch adhesive and press down gently. Be sure to keep a 1/4 inch of fabric between your page and the paper part of the hinge. You may want to wear cotton gloves or use a clean cloth to avoid leaving fingerprints. Repeat these steps with all of your pages. Now, to secure your pages in your portfolio, first start by placing the screw post backs into the holes of your back cover. We're demonstrating on our portrait format exposed screw post portfolio. One of the benefits of an open spine screw post portfolio is that they make updating images in your portfolio efficient and cost-effective. Now you can add all of your pages in the order that you prefer. When you've placed your final page, which is actually your first page, you're ready to add the front cover. The final step is to screw in the front part of your screw post. There you have it. You have successfully assembled your portfolio using our lay-flat hinge strips. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel on YouTube and visit our website at www.katiebooks.com.